Yo, what's up guys? So we're back with another video for the channel for you guys. If you guys haven't seen my first video, I will leave the link below. So I had a couple people asking me what products I use in order to take care of my paint. So I decided to make a video for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Hopefully you guys get some tips out of it. For the exterior is Lucas Speed Wax. Lucas Speed Wax has been really good to me. I recommend this and it's very affordable. So off to the interior, I do use Lucas Detailer. It's been really good to me. It gives it a really nice shine and I recommend this a lot as well. It does give it a really nice shine, clean look. So onto the wax, I use Meguiar's Cleaner Wax. It's been really good to me. Gives it a really nice shine. It really makes the paint really smooth. I do recommend this for you guys who like to take care of the paint. This wax has been really good to me. I've used a ton of waxes and Meguiar's Cleaner Wax has always been my go-to ever since I've used it. So for the tire shiner, I do use Meguiar's Tire Gel. Meguiar's Tire Gel does give it a really nice shine, lasts for like about a week, and I apply it before I go to any event. So one last product I use, and I think it's very important for all of you guys to use, is plastics from Meguiar's. So this one, it really cleans your headlights. If you guys have yellow or foggy headlights, it does do a really good job in cleaning them, and it's very affordable. So I think you guys should use these products. I hope it helps.
Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Hey, who mess is this?